Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 6.2. In the figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. Let's draw the diagram. Now that we have noted the diagram, let's list what is given to us. So given is DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. So what is it that we are supposed to prove? To prove is EF parallel to QR. Let's understand what we are going to prove is EF is going to be parallel to QR. So let's start writing the proof. So first what was given to us? DE is parallel to OQ. So this was already given to us. So using this, let's apply BPT. Now first let's understand the triangle in which we are applying it. So DE is parallel to OQ means the triangle that we are looking at is POQ. So in this triangle only we can apply this BPT. So in triangle POQ, I can use this statement and declare PE by EQ is going to be equal to PD by DO because of BPT and from the first statement. So I'm giving this as equation number 1. Now in the second case, let's write down the second given to us, which is DF is parallel to OR. That was the next given statement to us. So now let us look at the diagram or the triangle for which we need this. So what is given or referred about is DF and it is talking about OR. So this time we are going to take the triangle POR. So in triangle POR, this is going to declare us as PD divided by DO is going to be equal to PF divided by FR according to BPT. So mark this as equation number 2. Now let us see from equation 1 and 2. PD by DO in both the cases appear in both equations. So how can we continue? So from equation 1 and 2, I can say if one part of the equation is equal, then obviously the other part is also equal. So this is PE by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Now let us look at what is the reference point for us. So they are saying that PE divided by EQ is going to be equal to PF divided by FR in the given triangle. So this means EF is going to be parallel to QR because when you apply BPT, this is what is read, right? So EF, this implies EF is going to be parallel of QR. So this is BPT again reversed out. Hence proved. So please be careful on the triangles that you look out. The proof may be very simple, but it is just that the diagram might look confusing. So keep looking out for BPT theorems and where to apply it so you will arrive at your end answer successfully. In the next video, let us see how to solve the sixth question in exercise 6.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.